Here it all is unpacked. The wheel comes in quite a nice bag to contain the tyre. Keep it if it gets dirty so it doesn't get your car dirty on the inside. I also got the jack and wheel brace kit to go with it. You can see there how that's all came out of this box just behind it. This goes to show how on the IONIQ 5, if you want to move your twin seat section of your rear of your split seats in the back as far forward as you can, the spare will actually fit in the little slot there. So it's actually quite a good little fit there. It's tight, but it goes in. And then just under the floor, I mean, alternatively you could put it in the back here, but then if you unpack the jack and kit, that all fits under there. Okay, so this is changing the tyre over. The IONIQ Technic's got like this plastic cover on it. I've already released it. You need a fairly firm bit of wire. There's a little hole. You stick it in there, and then it just pops out. It's fairly tight though. I had to use a little screwdriver just to jimmy it out when I was doing it. Once you got that off, you line up your jack just between the two tabs you'll see down here, and just take that up so it's tight. Ready to go. So it's just finger tight there. Right, we slightly loosen these after you've found the right socket for it. Pop her on. Out. Yeah. Lefty loosey, righty tighty. Just slightly off. You're not taking them off, you're just loosening them. Quite like this extendable bar. Okay, once we've got that, on here, making sure the arm is angling out so you don't hit the car. Yep, off the ground. So, finish taking all these nuts off. You don't loosen them before you take the wheel off the ground. The wheel will spin and you can't get them off. Doing this, you never get under the car just in case it fell. Lift that off. Bring around our spare. place. We line it up on. Lift it on. Everything looks like it's clear. Or just a nip. Right, get them all nip tight. Now, we let the car back down. Now, we tighten them up properly, not over tightening. Giving the bars leverage. Move this so we don't live over it. Are we done? Cut. We've got the wheel fitted on now. We're just going to accelerate up. I'm not going to go right up to 80. I don't think that's really necessary. Does sound a bit different, but it's driving fine. I'm doing 50 kilometers per hour at the moment. Kilometers per hour, and we'll just hit the brakes here. Yep, that's fine.